if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, then the two triangles formed are similar. Two triangles form similar to the original triangle. Oh my God, there are a lot of questions based on this theorem on SAT. Lot of questions. This is the most important theorem from SAT's point of view.
And you taught it terribly. Okay.
There will be a lot of difficult questions will come from this theorem. You know, in India, we never did these theorems, but if you ask me to prove this, I can prove this theorem. We used to have questions based on this theorem, but we never knew that this has an official name, like right triangle similarity theorem. I don't know the name, but I know about the theorem. It just says that, so if you have a right triangle and you draw an altitude to the hypotenuse, so can you see this altitude has divided the original triangle into two smaller triangles?
Yeah.
One is this one, ABD, and one is this, BDC.
Mm-hmm.
So these two triangles, the red one and the blue one, both of them will be similar to the original triangle. Original triangle was ABC. That's
Okay.
it. That's what this theorem says. And if you have to really understand the logic behind it, you can just use AA criteria to prove them similar. In ABD, this angle is reflexive.
Oh, yeah. Wait, really?
If you
Oh,
want,
no.
if you want to prove that triangle ABD is similar to ABC. Now here it is very important to correctly write the order. ABD will be similar to A, and at D we have a right angle, and so this will be B, ACB. ABD will be similar to ACB, and because one angle A is reflexive, angle A is congruent to angle A reflexive, and angle D is congruent to angle B because they are both right angles. And similarly, triangle BDC will be similar to D is a right angle. See, C is a reflexive angle. So instead of C, we will write C. And D is the right angle. So in place of D, you will have B and A. BDC will be similar to ABC.
Got it.
Because angle C is reflexive and angle D is congruent to angle B because both of them are right angles.
Okay.
And in these questions, it's always a better idea to draw the triangles separately. That's what they are saying in question number 1. Identify the similar triangles in the diagram. First, you have to identify, like in this diagram, I identified red and blue triangles, then sketch them so the corresponding sides and angles have the same orientation. So that means you have to draw them separately. So first, when you identify the similar triangles,
oh yeah, we can do the big triangle, triangle QPR.
Yeah, QPR.
And then
that will be similar to
SPQ.
SPQ. Because in QPR, Q is right, and in SPQ, S is right, and P is reflexive. Yeah. Now, first, you should draw these two triangles separately. So, Q, first you can draw QPR. So it should be bigger. Okay, so you know that this is Q, this is P, and this is R. And then draw triangle SPQ in the same orientation. So it will be easier to do the questions. So the right angle is S, this is P, and this will be Q. And similarly, you can draw the smaller triangle.
S.
You just have to rotate it. S will be right angle.
SQR.
Yes. So R, QPR, the common angle is R. So we'll write S.
Wait, so if there's a common angle, would it be in the end or?
No, you have to check the order see, you're comparing with this triangle, right? QPR.
Mm-hmm.
So which angle is common to QPR? Angle R is common, right?
Yeah.
So where if R is in the end in QPR, so you will write R in the end.
Oh,
So this point is R. Here R is on the top, so R is on the top. Which point is left? Now Q is left, so Q
Q.
comes here.
Okay.
So QPR is similar to SQR.
Mm-hmm.
And in the questions that you have, question number 2, 3, and 4, always sketch the triangles individually before solving the questions. Otherwise, you might make a mistake.
Mm-hmm.
First, you need to identify which similar triangles are you taking. So for example, in number 2, if I give this names ABC, and let's call this point as D. So which triangles we should take? First, we should take ABC,
ABC. Yeah.
ABC, and we have to find out the value of X.
So X over.
No, first identify the triangle. ABC will be similar to B is right angle, D is right angle. So write D in the middle. And angle C is a common angle. So C and C and BDC.
A. Ah, right. I was going to say that. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm taking this triangle. Okay. So now since they are similar, so their corresponding sides will be proportional. So you can take any sides. In ABC, you know all the sides. You can take 9 over 15. 9 is AB. Wait, first you should write the side which has X because you want to find out the value of X, okay?
Okay.
So BD over BC. And BD is corresponding to AB. So write AB. And BC is corresponding to AC. So write AC. Now take the values. AB is 9. AC is 15. BD is X. And BC is 12. And that will give you the value of X.
Got it.